Inductive effect. Impact of inductive effect. First thing is impact on acidic character. Impact on acidic character. In shortcut, plus I effect is inversely proportional to acidic character. Minus I effect is directly proportional to acidic character. And how it is? How it is? Suppose this compound is there, C double bond O, single bond OH. This one is H, Cl and H. We are comparing it with C double bond OH, CH3 and formic acid. It's a formic acid or methanoic acid. This one is acetic acid or ethanoic acid. This one is 2-chloroethanoic acid. Now, how to correlate between these two? So the charge separation is, this is negative, this one is negative. So this carbon is having a positive center. This chlorine will remove the electron from this carbon, and as a result this will have a delta positive, this will have a delta negative. We know acids are electron acceptor. Acids are electron acceptor. Acids are electron acceptor. So to accept the acid, to accept the electron, there must be intact del positive charge on carbon. Higher the intensity of del positive charge on carbon, higher will be the acidic strength. Higher will be the acidic strength. So in such case what is happening? This positive charge is there and this is also a positive charge. So in place of one del positive, we got two del positive charge center. When we compare this one with this reaction, this is delta negative, this is delta positive, again it's a delta negative, because electron has been pushed, this electron has been pushed towards, this electron has been pulled towards OH, and this CH3 will pass the electron. CH3 is having positive charge, positive I effect, chlorine is having minus I effect. So this CH3 will push the electron towards delta positive. So delta positive and electron charge will be partially neutralized. What will happen? This positive charge is going to be partially neutralized. Will be partially neutralized by alkyl group or methyl group or methyl group. Now see the third case. See the third case. In third case, what will happen? This is H, C double bond O, single bond OH. So this center will have delta negative, this will have delta positive, but in this case, del positive charge is neither getting positive charge is neither getting intensified nor neutralized. In this case, intensity is increased. In this case, intensity is decreased. In this case, nothing is going to happen, neither increasing nor decreasing. So the strongest acid is the part which contains minus high effect. So first acid is having minus high effect. So ClCCOOH is the strongest acid, followed by HCOOH, and finally CH3COOH. We can say it is because minus high effect, no minus or plus high effect, plus high effect. So plus high effect has decreases the acidic character, whereas it has increased the acidic character. Minus high effect has increased the acidic character, and plus high effect has decreased the acidic character. This we have to learn in the acid chapter, acid and acid derivatives. Now discuss the second example. Let's see the second example. This is C double bond O, single bond OH. This is Cl. This is Cl. This is Cl. If they ask out of these three, 1, 2, 3, which is stronger acid? Which is stronger acid? Out of these three, which one is the stronger acid? The answer is, how to draw the conclusion? How to draw the conclusion on this pattern? This one is Cl minus high effect, again Cl minus high effect, again Cl minus high effect. The charge separation delta negative, delta positive, it's a delta negative, delta positive, del negative, it's a del positive. So all three is having minus high effect. All three is having minus high effect. So it should be equally stable, it should be equally acidic. But answer is one of them is a stronger acid and one of them is the weakest acid. So we cannot go for the option that all three are having same strength or all three are equally acid. That is the wrong option. That option is not given also. So how to find out? All three is having minus high effect. Then we will find distance between two minus high effect. Distance between two minus high effect is inversely proportional to acidic character. Here this OH this OH and this I, OH and I, OH and I. OH was Cl. So which is having the highest distance? This is having the highest distance. So third is weaker, then second, and first is the strongest acid. Strongest acid. And this one is the weakest acid among these three. Suppose we change the option. Suppose we change the option. C single bond, C single bond, C double bond, O, O, H. This one is Br. Iodine. It's a chlorine. Now how to decide? Now how to decide which one is stronger acid, which one is weaker acid? So say here, this one is minus I effect, this one is minus I effect, this one is minus I effect. So we are having all three minus I effect, and the distance is also fixed, 1, 2, 3. Every time it is third carbon. All three options have minus I effect at equal distance. So what can be answer? What can be answer? 1, 2, 3. Strength of 1 is equal to strength of 2, which is equal to 3. But this is the wrong answer. All three is not having the same strength. This option is not valid. Then what is the valid option? This option is not valid, then what is the valid option? And how to decide? All three is having minus I effect, and all three are having the minus I effect at the same distance. So here we will find out electronegativity is directly proportional to minus I effect, which is directly proportional to acidic character. So which is having the minus I effect? Which is having the strongest minus I effect? 3 is having the strongest minus I effect. Chlorine, followed by bromine, followed by iodine. Chlorine is more electronegative. Chlorine is more electronegative than bromine, which is more electronegative than iodine. So this is the answer. So how we decided? First we decided whether it is having a positive I effect or negative I effect. Positive I effect will increase the basic character and negative I effect will increase the acidic character of the compound. If they are having the same electron withdrawing group or same minus I effect group at the different distance, then the shorter the distance will increase the acidic character, and longer distance will decrease the acidic character. Third point, if they are having minus I group attached to the same distance, then how to find the relative strength of this acid and base? The answer is higher the electronegativity, stronger will be the acidic character. So by keeping this point in the mind, we came to the conclusion that in this given example, third option is strongest acid and second option is the weakest acid, because electronegativity of chlorine is maximum and iodine is minimum. If we reverse the trend, we will get the answer of basic character. Plus I effect is directly proportional to basic character. This we have to learn in amines chapter. Now see how it is. If it is NH3 or NH2 or R2NH. First one is ammonia. Second one is primary amine, 1 degree amine or primary amine. Third one is 2 degree amine or secondary amine. So out of these three, which can be the stronger acid? Out of these three, which can be the stronger acid? And that we have to find out. See what is the structure of this. This N is there, it is having 3 hydrogen, 1, 2 and 3 hydrogen with 1 lone pair. In this case, N is there with 2 hydrogen and 1 R with a lone pair. In third case, N is there with 1 hydrogen and 2 R group. It may or may not be same. Let it be R and R dash. It can be R and R or R or R dash. That is not the point of discussion right now. So what is happening? In this case, 1 plus I effect is there. So it will push their electron towards the nitrogen, and the charged electron density around nitrogen will increase. And same thing is going to happen here also. Here 2 groups are there, and these 2 groups will increase the electron density on nitrogen. These 2 groups will increase the electron density on nitrogen. As a result, this will have the highest electron density on nitrogen. This will have least electron density on nitrogen. Least electron density on nitrogen. Least electron density on nitrogen. And we know higher the electron density, easier to donate the electron. Higher is the electron density, easier to donate the electron. Higher is the electron density, higher is the electron density, easier to donate the electron, and stronger the basic character. Stronger will be the basic character. And stronger will be the basic character. So if we write A, B and C, C will have the strongest basic character, then B, then A. So most basic, and this one is least basic. This we have to learn in amines chapter, amines and amines derivative. Based on this, we need to find out, application of this is to find acidic character of 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohol. which can accept the electron very easily. Let's see. This is A, B is this is B, and this one is C. All three are alcohol. All three are alcohol. And which alcohol is supposed to be stronger acidic in nature? Once again we will apply the same concept. To behave as acid, it must have del positive charge on carbon. In this case, what will happen? This is delta positive, this is delta negative, and this is a 1 plus I effect. In this case, this is positive charge, but 2 plus I effect is there. 2 plus I effect is there. 1 plus I effect is there. In this case, how many plus I effect is there? 1, 2 and 3. 3 plus I effect is there. We know acidic character is inversely proportional to plus I effect. So option number C will be the least acidic, then option B and A will be the most acidic. That's why we can summarize tertiary alcohol, then it is secondary alcohol, and the strongest acid among these is primary alcohol, and it can be explained very easily on the basis of concept of inductive effect. So we will continue from here.